The Barclays App. How to download and update the Barclays App on an Android device. Start by visiting the Play Store. Search for Barclays. When you see the Barclays App, tap Install. Then Open. Next choose I have a Barclays account and follow the steps to register for the app. Then select the Barclays App whenever you want to use it. To keep the app updated, go to the Play Store. Search for the Barclays mobile app. Select it and tap Update. You can also switch on automatic app updates, so you'll always have the latest version of the app. Select the menu and switch on Enable Auto Update. That's it. You're ready to go with the Barclays app.